So another month has passed in 2025. We're in March now. The Las Vegas housing market has been shifting. And if you're thinking about buying or selling, you need to know what's happening right now. More importantly, where things are heading next. Let's get into it. Hi, welcome to Invest with Jim, where you'll find real estate insights that no one else is sharing. All right, let's dive into the numbers now. Inventory, the end of January, there were 4,797 homes for sale. End of February, there was 4,887 homes for sale. Homes sold in January was 1,319. In February, there was 1,357. Median list price at the end of January was $489.9, end of February, $485. Median sale price at the end of January was $485,000, and the end of February, $476,000. The average days on market in January were 33 days. In February, it was 24 days. Average price per square feet in January was $261, and February was $258. And the number of price reductions in January was 2,405, and in February there was 2,296. The average interest rate in January was 6.85, and the average interest rate in February was 6.76. If you're considering selling your home in Las Vegas, here's what you need to know. Homes are selling faster. The average days on market is now 24, down from 33 in January. This means demand has picked up and well-priced homes are moving quicker. There was a small dip in median sale price. The median sale price is now $476,000, down from $485 in January. While prices have softened a little bit, they still are historically strong. Pricing strategy is key. With a slight dip in prices, ongoing price reductions, setting the right asking price up front is critical. And if you're looking to buy in Las Vegas, keep in mind, interest rates have slightly dropped. You know, I mentioned earlier that the average interest rate in February was about 6.76, but if you're looking for first-time home buyer programs or like a VA loan, I mean, they're actually in the low sixes now. Inventory continues to increase. We're right under 4,900 homes for sale. With inventory ticking up and days on market still solid, buyers have more negotiating power. Sellers are pricing more realistically. The slight decline in list prices suggests that sellers are becoming more flexible. Not to mention, in a stable market like this, could be a great time to do a 1031 exchange if you're thinking about doing that. By the way, if you're finding value in this video, can you do us a huge favor by liking and subscribing to the channel? And don't forget to share the video as well. Thanks, and now back to the video. So at the very end of February, we saw some decent rate reductions, all right? So I don't know if that's gonna keep going on or not. They might shoot back up. I mean, rates have fluctuated in the sixes for a couple years now, so I expect the same of that. But one thing is true is buyers are very sensitive to the rates, okay? So if they're in the high sixes, it's slower. If it's in the low sixes, they're all out looking at homes. So I mean, rates are gonna have a big effect on if buyers are gonna be out there looking and making offers for sure. Inventory, I expect inventory to continue to increase, all right? That being because we're around historical highs for most home values right now. So we're seeing a lot of sellers thinking about, you know, let's cash out now while it's high, right? Because there is some uncertainty, not only in the real estate market, lots of things are uncertain right now. The price adjustments, I mean, that's just a clear indication that, you know, people are not getting their optimistic price and they're having to adjust to the realistic price of the market right now. But you know what? Real estate is seasonal. It always has been, all right? We're in the winter months right now. This is generally a slower time in real estate right now. We still have tax season to get through. Usually the real estate market starts heating up in the later spring. Once taxes are over with, people get their returns, maybe spring break gets out of the way, people will start thinking about buying homes again. It's always been the summertime has been the busy season in real estate, so I feel like a lot of sellers are waiting for that time to put their home on the market as well too. So all in all, I see inventory rising in the late spring and moving into the summer, and I think we're gonna have the most sales during the summer months as usual in real estate. One thing that I noticed in the month of February was they were saying that there was the fewest homes that went under contract in the month of February since post-pandemic. What that means is in February, less homes went under contract. Majority of the closings in February basically happened on offers that were made in January. I expect to see numbers in March kind of low now because there was less homes going into escrow in February. So there's gonna be less closings in March for sure because of that. At the end of February, the stock market took a big hit. Bitcoin is at its like 90-day low suddenly again. So we have a lot of uncertainty, and when there's a lot of uncertainty, people are reluctant to make big financial moves, all right? And buying a house is a big financial decision. It's gonna be a slow spring. That's what I'm predicting. Not to be a downer, let's talk about what I did in the month of February. It was a cool month for me. We did a murder mystery party here at the office. I think everyone had a really fun time. I know I did.
My name is Blonde, Jamie Blonde. Oh, oops.
And it was a busy month in sports for me. We had basketball playoffs and also a grappling tournament that we attended, which was fun for the kids. The weather has been beautiful in February. I went out to golf like several times. It was a great time. I mean, weather was like in the 70s and sunny. Great to live in Las Vegas if you like golfing. Just doing my final planning for my trip to China for spring break. So if you're thinking about selling, buying, or investing in Las Vegas, now is a great time to take the next step. Reach out to me. I'd love to help you navigate the market and make the most out of these opportunities. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell and share this with somebody who might also find this interesting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.